Hello there folks, welcome back to Goodfellas Garage. Today is a bit of an unusual video. I will be detailing and cleaning this 2010 E92 BMW before I actually film with it. I have been asked several times by viewers to show how I detail my cars, and I figured this BMW is as good as any. This car belongs to a good fella Devin. As you can see, it is pretty dirty. He does not really take care of this car. It hasn't been washed probably in at least a year. Interior doesn't get cleaned. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff in the interior. He eats and drinks inside of this car, which is pretty gross. The yellow stuff that you see under the handbrake, and you also will see it on the floor, is actually dried up cheese. Like I said, this car does not get cleaned a lot, so I had to do a pretty good detail job on this BMW before I could film with this. So the first task was to clean out all the junk, all the change, all the paper clips and garbage that was inside of the car. I was still finding ping pong balls inside of it from our brake test that we did a few weeks ago, and that took quite a bit of time. Next, I vacuumed the interior. And after that, I have started cleaning and detailing. What I like to start with is Windex. Yes, I just use Windex with paper towels, nothing fancy. It is an excellent cleaner. It's not harsh, and it does an excellent job in cleaning all the little crevices and little spots in the interior. The dirtiest part of the car was the steering wheel. It has never been cleaned nor detailed. I used Meguiar's 39 heavy duty vinyl cleaner to clean the steering wheel. It took quite a bit of time to get all the dirt off of it. After I'm done with Windex, I like to use Armor All wipes just on the wood portions of the dash. I don't like to use it on top of the dash because it leaves some residue on the windshield. After the Armor All wipes, I clean it up with paper towels, or I do another Windex run. Now I clean the glass with the invisible glass and paper towels. I get pretty good results with that. Now the driver's seat had some wear on one of the bolsters. I used some leather dye to give it a quick spray, and I think it's a pretty good match. The next day I had to clean the exterior. I like to start with the wheels. I use Sonax wheel cleaner. I spray it on and let it sit for a couple of minutes, then use a wet brush to brush it off. Repeat this process on 3 other wheels, and then I also clean them with the sponge as I'm washing the entire car. Now, as far as car shampoos goes, I use Meguiar's Gold Class Car Wash. You can buy it at any parts store, Advanced Auto Parts, O'Reilly's, whatnot. I don't use any fancy shampoos or fancy cleaners. I don't believe in those. I think they're all gimmicks. Meguiar's works pretty well. It does the job, and I don't really require any fancy cleaners. So this entire detail job inside and out took 2 days. It took 1 day to do the interior, and then another day, half a day, to do the exterior. So let's see what the car looks like after it's been detailed. Folks, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.